10 horsepower transfer pump from Harbor Freight. I needed to get some water out of my barrels here and try and water my garden with the sprinkler over there. I'll show that in a couple minutes. So I'm just running it off my lawnmower because I didn't have any big batteries laying around. So you got an inlet port and an outlet port. Inlet port is on the right here. Looking at it from this side, it says suction port or inlet port right there. Has to have water going to it before you even turn it on. You burn the pump up. So that's our little pump there. Well, I'll show you in a minute. Let's fire this thing up. It's working. We've had a lot of rain here, so I'm not going to run this thing for very long. But it's working better than the water from the house does. It's got more pressure, that's for sure. And I can use it to transfer water from the 255 gallons into a 275 gallon tote I'm going to pick up sometime this week. Ooh, water's cold. But that's it. It's working pretty good. It's not the best way to do it, but as far as overhead sprinkler. But I'm not putting drip tape over here just yet. You know, maybe next year. I'm not doing it this year. Whew, water's cold. It's working though. But that's our little 1/10 horsepower. It'll definitely run a hose and a sprinkler. They don't give you a pressure listed in there, just gallons per hour. I think it's 290 gallons per hour. It's just under 300. But definitely has enough pressure to run that sprinkler. And it's spinning it around. My water pressure from the house would go a little bit and then stop, and go a little bit and then stop. But it's doing good. And I'm going to go turn it off because it looks like might rain again. We've had 3 days worth of rain. I think it's supposed to rain the rest of this week. So that's a little Drummond pump from Harbor Freight. I'll put the model number and stuff in the description. But it works, just transferring. Y'all take care.